Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren today warned the kuki militants to stop terrorism against the innocent people. Otherwise, the consequences will not be good. He said this to the media persons at Hangang while he visiting the relief camp erected there. Chief Minister today visited the relief camps at N. Birahari College, Khundrakpam and Hangang. Chief Minister further said the government is remaining silent in the present situation. He warned the kuki militants and appealed both sides to stop fighting one another.
Government is trying to help at the best level. Today I visited some area and state government is going to construct prefabricated houses to accommodate them temporarily till the permanent settlement is taken place to shift at their previous places. So around 3,000 to 4,000 temporary houses will be constructed. Today also at this place around 32 families are here. We are looking the place where the new construction can be done with the help of the club's member, and we have already ordered the prefabricated materials to reach Imphal within 10-15 days, and within 1.5 months and maximum 2 months we can provide all the facility.
On the other hand, when asked about the Meiteis residing in Mizoram, Chief Minister said he had already talked to Chief Minister of Mizoram, Joramthanga, and assured him that all the Meiteis in Mizoram will be protected. From this site, all the Mizos in Manipur from Mizoram will also be protected, Chief Minister said.
It has to be stopped immediately. I appeal to mainly the kuki militant to stop it. Otherwise, they will face the consequences. And I also appeal to the peoples, Meitei peoples, who are with arms, not to attack anything. Please to keep maintain peace, and so that we can restore normalcy in the state of Manipur. Joramthanga is well experienced and the senior most minister in the entire Northeast, and I informed him that some of the peoples, some of the Manipuri Meitei peoples mainly residing there, are little bit facing apprehension due to the ongoing crisis in the state of Manipur. So immediately he called me in the morning, and he assured me that nothing will be happen.